A very happy fifth anniversary to the Conceptual Orthopedics. This Conceptual Orthopedics started primarily 5 years ago, or even 5.5 years ago. The concept was being formulated in a small cafeteria in Delhi that the postgraduate students need to be taught basically clinical examination and correct orthopedics. It started with a basic concept of teaching the students, and faculty got together which was primarily interested in teaching the student, and this student centric app was formulated and inaugurated 5 years ago from today. It has grown in a big way, starting from just to clinical examination to include teaching the whole orthopedics, clarifying concept, case presentation, presentation of surgical techniques, surgeries, and it has expanded from teaching postgraduates to teaching registrars to teaching consultant, and to become as a reference point for even the practitioners who can make a good use. Primarily, the teachers were interested in teaching orthopedics to the next generation and bringing up the standard and the quality of orthopedic surgeons for our next generation. With this aim in mind, this app has done very well, and it has grown from a small clinic where the lectures used to be recorded to a own independent building where even the teaching courses are held, and also model teaching on models for bone models, AO models, everything is being done. It has grown very rapidly with the support of all the faculty, which is a purely dedicated to teaching orthopedic faculty, and also the affection and love and the response we have got from the students all across the country. We hope that we maintain our aim of primarily teaching next new generation of orthopedic surgeons the correct methods, correct practices, and the correct ethics in orthopedics. My best wishes to everybody.